Today I have two of Bollywood's biggest stars. So today on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 5 series, we are putting Siddhant Chaturvedi and Mrunal Thakur through an ultimate anger test. Girlfriend cheats on you.
ये लोग इसी पोजीशन में थे, तो ये बॉयफ्रेंड ये गर्लफ्रेंड.
I think you need to leave the room.
The loser treats us to a delicious Maharashtrian and Bihari food.
कोथिंबीर वडी,
ये क्या है?
उनका टाको, आठ टाको, भरली वांगी, शेवची भाजी is like your all time फटाफट बनने वाली भाजी.
So we've got sattu and we've got soul curry.
गर्मी में पीते हैं हमारे यहाँ यूपी में.
The best is when you drink properly. लिट्टी चोखा.
चोखा मिलता है, आलू को एकदम मैश पोटैटो टाइप है. में घी डालते हैं.
घर पर बनता है रेगुलरली आपके?
मेरे घर पे तो इससे 10 गुना अच्छा बनता है.
Yes, thank you.
In our Marathi culture, the roti should always be served on the right hand side.
Do you guys remember your first love?
I actually got bullied.
I think fourth standard, there was this girl I was crushing on. उसका नाम पता क्या था? यूनिका. She was सरदारनी, but अगर यूनिका अगर आप तुम देख रही हो तो
Please DM कर लो.
जिस विश की कर्ली टेल्स मुझे अपने प्यार से
Yes, हो जाएगा.
तो आपको पता चल ही गया है कि मैं आपको पसंद करता हूँ. कॉलेज अलग होंगे, प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है. प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है वर्ड मेरे साथ इतना चिपका है. कैसा लव प्रैक्टिकल थोड़ी ना होता है.
What is that one thing that really surprised you about the industry?
Female friendships.
In fact, men are more insecure than I think women here. They are good as long as you're second or third, but second you come like first, then they start having like issue. On my fingertips, I can count the number of friends I have.
कई सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ऐसे पोस्ट डाल रहे हैं ना, दे आर बीइंग पेड टू पुट नेगेटिव स्टफ अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर एक्टर और एन एक्ट्रेस.
That's really sad. My friends भी they're like बताया नहीं, मुझे न्यूज़ से पता चल रहा है तेरी शादी हो रही है.
आप दोनों में एक कंपटीशन होने वाला है. कौन ज्यादा चीजें यहाँ पर तोड़ेगा और किसे ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है.
Question: दिल तोड़ना काउंटेड है?
नॉट इन रेज रूम. आप दोनों को मिलेंगे 10 मिनट और 10 मिनट में जिसने ज्यादा चीजें तोड़ी वो जीतेगा और जिसने कम चीजें तोड़ी उसे एक पनिशमेंट मिलेगा.
Punishment?
यस, तो यू बेटर टेक दिस जॉब वेरी वेरी सीरियसली. तो वैसे आप दोनों को जब गुस्सा आता है, व्हाट इज इट दैट यू डू?
Just leave the room.
मैं लिखता हूँ.
काम करो, यहाँ पेन पेपर लाओ. ये क्या करे हम हथौड़े का यहाँ पर?
Pen is his weapon.
तलवार से भी ज्यादा
But seriously?
खूंखार होती है.
वाह शायर जी.
उससे मैं डोर स्लैम किया धाड़ करके और मेरे ऊपर पूरा वो सीमेंट का व्हाइट कलर का पूरा व्हाइट छूना लग गया.
Put your helmets on and let's get started. Time starts now. मृणाल, मैं आपको एक सिचुएशन दे रही हूँ. यू ऑडिशन फॉर अ मूवी, यू गॉट सिलेक्टेड एंड लास्ट मिनट आपको रिप्लेस कर दिया. अच्छा, आपके बॉयफ्रेंड ने आप पे चीट किया, आपको कितना गुस्सा आ रहा है? रेज रूम में 80% clients है, they're actually women. Women come here more often who feel very very angry and they break things like that. कभी मृणाल किसी का दिल तोड़ा है? तोड़ा है. आपका टूटा है दिल?
हाँ टूटा है, पर मैं तोड़ने नहीं रही थी, मैं पहले तोड़ रही थी.
When Mrunal gives retakes.
फिर मैं ये ढक्कन खोल के पी ही जाऊंगा.
Girlfriend cheats on you. अब आ रहा है गुस्सा.
ये लोग इसी पोजीशन में थे. तो ये बॉयफ्रेंड ये गर्लफ्रेंड.
पीछे से हथौड़ा मत छोड़ देना.
ये देखो कुंफू देखो हमारा.
Hired for a Chinese film. वाओ, ये है मृणाल का गुस्सा कि इतनी दूर से भी बॉटल फेंकी, बट इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. आई थिंक यू नीड टू लीव द रूम. एक
आए
हाँ,
ऐसा कैसा मारी रे?
बताओ कितने अटेम्प्ट्स में टूटेगी टीवी?
4. अरे थोड़ा हाथ लगाइए यार. अबे ये टीवी नहीं है. पैसा बचत कर रहे हो रेज रूम बोल के. ये बहुत ही ग्रोइंग बिजनेस है, मुझे भी खोल देना चाहिए. इतना गुस्सा दिखता है सड़कों पे लोगों में, सारा गुस्सा निकालना चाहिए लोगों को और एकदम रिलैक्स होना चाहिए।
So I get very scared when I have to do like something experimental ऐसे जैसे rage room, but obviously you feel lighter. I feel like relaxed.
Yeah.
Thanks to you, man. Like honestly, सारा गुस्सा बाहर आ गया.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ कोई ऐसी चीज, कोई बहुत ही सिली सी चीज जिस पर आपको इरैशनली गुस्सा आ जाता है।
जब अफवाहें आती है कि मृणाल इस फिल्म का हिस्सा बनने वाली है टू क्रिएट द बज़ ऑफ द मूवी, और फिर मुझे पता चलता है यार दे जस्ट यूज्ड माय नेम, दैट्स सो सैड।
गॉसिप भी होती है, रिलेशनशिप,
दैट्स फ्री पीआर, सो
दैट्स फ्री पीआर।
या 3 करोड़ भी अगर मैं खर्चा कर लूं तो भी इतना पीआर नहीं होगा। सो थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग माय बेस्ट पीआर, लव यू ऑल, लव यू। तो शादी में जरूर आना।
तो रूमर्स में कोई सच्चाई है या नहीं है, बता दो।
उनको पता चलेगा ना, 14th Feb is going to be the 1st April।
ओके।
सड़क क्रॉस करते टाइम जब रेड सिग्नल होता है फिर भी जब गाड़ी निकलती है तब
Good
बहुत
point।
गुस्सा आता है। और जब गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ मैं और जस्ट ग्रीन सिग्नल है, मैं पहुंचा ही हूँ वहां पे पहुंचा, कोई बीच में आ जाता है और रेड हो जाता है, हम लाइक 2-5 मिनट गए यहाँ पे, तब गुस्सा आता है।
कौन जीता आप दोनों में से? तो यू हैव टू गिव हिम 5 genuine compliments.
I love his hair. Like people who are watching me would know how much I love curly hair, and I wish that I had curly hair. The grass is always green on the other
But
side.
you're on curly tails, so ठीक है।
Curly tails, quite literally. Second, he is very good with breaking the ice, make the room feel very comfortable, and that's I think the best quality. Third, his writing skills. I think his biggest weapon is his color, and he can write down, jot down his emotions, where I find it very difficult to express myself.
Have you read any of his writings?
Yes, of course.
You
He's
have?
got a special page dedicated only for his poems, his writings, his thoughts. Very precise, minimum words, but with deep meaning. And it's very rare quality in today's generation. His bond with his brother, very cute. And fifth is whenever you watch him on screen, you feel like, yeah, that's my story. So all his choices of
Very
movies are
relatable.
very, very relatable.
बहुत तारीफ हो गई सिरान की। और लूजर को हम दोनों को ट्रीट करना है आज लंच में।
मुझे ट्रीट देना है ना? अरे वो तो ऐसे भी देंगे।
So guys, Rage Room के बाद अब हम आ गए हैं to 190 AM SL. It's one of the best high rises and a very romantic bar in Mumbai, which is at Novotel Mumbai International Airport. अब आप दोनों को गुस्सा कितना आता है वो तो हमने देख ही लिया. What about romantic quotient? 1 to 10 में how romantic are you?
She's a 10 for sure.
Yeah.
So I think he's 100 on 10.
अरे नहीं मैं I think 1 या 2. Like I feel more, but I'm still not like at where I see myself. Like romance. I need to do more.
Actually, you should ask each other, because from what I have observed, Sid and how he is, as I feel like he's at least a 9.45 out of 10 when it comes to love or romance.
But is this all acting या सच में इतना
नहीं, सच
real
में
life में भी?
इतना लिखता है अच्छा,
हाँ, that's
बनाता है, so I'm sure.
तो कभी किसी लड़की के लिए ऐसे पोएम या कुछ ऐसे
हाँ,
लिखा
हाँ,
है?
बहुत बार।
That is a 10 on 10. Do you guys remember your first love?
First love, yes, but now I don't want to remember. I remember वो बस आंखों ही आंखों में
School college,
second class.
तूने चुराया
जिया. Aja Remai, let's do Bale Bale in second C. Himangi ma'am was our class teacher.
Second.
C.
बहुत
Second
जल्दी
C.
शुरुआत हुई है, but
Yeah.
okay.
Second C?
Yeah, I was in I used to really like staring, and I stared at that one guy until like say 7th standard, till I left the school. And he was a lefty, so he would sit like this. And the last row, last bench, and it was first row, last bench, and I would write like this. So we would just be like parallel to
So he
each
would
other.
also just look at you. 5 साल तक चलता रहा
हाँ बस
सिलसिला.
मतलब I would always get shy around him.
I think 4th standard, there was this girl I was crushing on. उसके डैड का ट्रांसफर हुआ था तो वो आई थी स्कूल में, तो मेरी पार्टनर बनी थी. मैं मतलब मुझे याद है हमारे मिड टर्म में आई थी वो. तो पूरा क्लास सेम वही जैसे रोजमर्रा का दिन होता है. अचानक एक लड़की आई है और मैं ऐसा हो गया. इतनी सुंदर, मैं ऐसे पहली बार कुछ फील हुआ यार. ऐसा लगा कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है.
तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा,
हाँ, exactly.
तुम्हें जो मैंने
Yeah.
जाना.
And then she came and sat besides me, and I was like, ये मेरी पार्टनर है अब से. I'm like, damn. And she was पढ़ाई में थोड़ी कमजोर थी, तो वो होता था ना ऐसा कि
मैं सिखाऊंगा तुझे.
मैं सिखाऊंगा नहीं. चीटिंग तो मैं फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में बहुत डर लगता था. मैं अपना करता था क्योंकि मेरे को भी मार पड़ेगी ना घर पे. लेकिन जब वो रिजल्ट आया तो वो बहुत कम मार्क्स आया उसको एंड शी वाज क्राइंग दैट डे। आई वेंट टू हर लाइक क्या हुआ, शी इज लाइक नहीं मेरे को बहुत कम मार्क्स आए हैं, डैड मुझे बहुत डांटेंगे। तो मैंने एक काम करो, तुम मेरा पेपर ले लो, उस पर अपना नाम लिख लो, तुम्हारा पेपर ले लो, मैं अपना नाम लिख लेता हूँ।
Easy है, मतलब हाँ, इरेज कर दिया,
मैंने दे दिया, एक्सचेंज कर दिया। तो मुझे बहुत मार पड़ी घर पे, और मार पढ़ते पढ़ते भी मैं स्माइल कर रहा था।
उसके आंसर्स भी करेक्ट कर देते।
प्यार में पहली कुर्बानी और इतनी मार भी खाई। हाँ।
एक ड्राइंग पीरियड में उसका स्केच बनाया मैंने। सब लोग को आई थिंक कुछ बनाना, सीनरी बनाना, तो मेरे लिए तो नज़ारा वही थी, तो मैंने उसका बना दिया और उसको मैंने दे दिया। उसको इतना अच्छा लगा, उसने मेरे कंपास बॉक्स में एक गाना लिखा जो उसका फेवरेट गाना, कहो ना प्यार आई थी उस टाइम, तो उसने वो गाना लिखा, प्यार की कश्ती में। तो वो कंपास बॉक्स मैं देखता रह गया। आई थिंक जब टर्म खत्म हम 5th स्टैंडर्ड में जाने वाले थे, देन शी टोल्ड मी मेरे डैड का वापस ट्रांसफर हो रहा है दिल्ली में, और तो शायद मैं 2 साल बाद आऊँ। ट्रस्ट मी, एवरी डे वो 4th स्टैंडर्ड खत्म हुआ, 5th में आए, 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th तक मैं हर बार वो दरवाजे को देखता था कि अब आएगी अब आएगी। फेसबुक जब आया तो सबसे पहला मैंने काम किया, उसका नाम ढूंढा, नहीं मिली। उसका नाम पता क्या था? यूनिका।
यूनिक नहीं,
नाम है यूनिका, उसका नाम
था यूनिका। शी वाज सरदारनी, शी वेंट टू दिल्ली एंड आई स्टिल हैव अ स्केच, बट अब तो चेहरा मिलेगा भी नहीं, तो मुझे नहीं पता। बट अगर यूनिका, अगर आप तुम देख रही हो तो
आप तुम
प्लीज डीएम कर लो
यार, कुछ तो कर लो।
I know.
साइन, क्या पता उसकी शादी हो गई हो, पता नहीं क्या हो, बट आई जस्ट विश कि कर्ली टेल्स मुझे अपने प्यार से।
यस हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा। आई एम टेलिंग यू। ये कौन सी एक मूवी में भी था ना, कुछ कुछ होता है। मैं
हाँ, अंजलि।
नहीं, अंजलि
अंजलि मुझे कोई और मिल गई है, कल से मुझे फोन मत करना।
एमटीवी पर।
Do you remember the first time ever you got proposed? Like somebody confessed his feelings to you? या आपने किया हो?
Yeah. I think 9th and 10th standard was the time where suddenly I felt like people used to come and say, "Oh my God, you're so beautiful." And मुझे कभी compliments नहीं मिले वैसे, because till 8th standard I had these unibrows. When I was in 9th standard, we were prepping for a farewell dance for 10th grade. उस वक्त मैंने first time अपनी eyebrows कराई, and suddenly, and then I started growing my hair because I only had I had shorter hair than yours. So suddenly I could feel that attention when it was 10th standard, my farewell party, or I wore my mom's sari, I remember. After that, suddenly there were too many proposals. There was one guy, क्योंकि गजनी आई थी उस वक्त, he shaved his head and he made that pattern and he did propose to me. He would like stand under my building, and that फिर वो ना बहुत ही scary feeling हो गई थी.
But also at that age you don't realize how to react to proposals, right?
I actually got bullied, you know, because I said no.
What?
And then people started calling me names because I remember two best friends used to love me, and one guy asked me out and I said no. तो उनके आपस में ही झगड़े होने लग गए. But now after say like 10-15 years, that person did reach out to me, my school friend. Now I call him a friend. And I was like, do you realize this is what happened? And he's like, oh my God, I didn't realize what we were so young, we didn't know. He said, I'm sorry to make you feel like that. I was like, it's okay. Life है, चलता है.
I have a crazy story of a proposal. I made a fool out of myself. Farewell, same.
That time, it's that time.
I like this girl from the other division, 10th standard, crushing huge. उसकी best friend और मेरा best friend दोनों एक दूसरे को पसंद करते थे, बट उसकी best friend का boyfriend था, तो जितना भी मैसेजिंग है वो उसके थ्रू, लड़की के थ्रू मुझे भेजती थी और मैं यहाँ से जाता था.
You were the third wheels.
Third wheels, yeah. So हम दोनों बात करके exchange करके आज वो इतने बजे कॉल करेगा, वो इतने बजे कॉल करेगी, एंड देन वो करते करते मुझे बहुत पसंद आने लगी. एंड देन फेयरवेल जब हुआ तो मेरे दोस्त ने बोला भाई गो फॉर इट. तो मुझे याद है वो सी डिवीजन था, हमारा F था, 10th F 10th C. They were like, उसमें उनका सर्कल था हमारे बगल में, डांस होता है ना, डांस सर्कल. और उसके ग्रुप में सर्कल में मैं घुसा हूँ, ठीक है, और कोई गाना चल रहा था, आशिक बनाया चल रहा था, आशिक बनाया,
Perfect song.
और मैंने पूरा लॉकिंग पॉपिंग करके आशिक बनाया आपने करके उसको नी पे गया हूँ और इतनी एम्बैरेस हो गई, और she just literally turned and walked off and everybody started laughing. I became a joke of the farewell. I was like ये क्या चल रहा है ये.
You should have just said कि this is the way anyone should ask a girl. So.
अरे उतना कॉन्फिडेंस कहा था, कैसे तैसे तो मैं गया था, दिमाग बंद करके.
But यार दाद देनी पड़ेगी to ask in front of the school,
right?
college.
और राइवल क्लास के सामने.
How long did you take to get over it?
It took me a year after that.
Really?
इतना embarrassment हुआ. And then वो फिर मैंने उसको पूछा भी कि अब तो आपको पता चल ही गया है कि मैं आपको पसंद करता हूँ. तो she's like अब तो स्कूल खत्म हो गया, कॉलेज अलग होंगे, प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है. प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है वर्ड मेरे साथ इतना चिपका है. मैंने कैसा बोला लव प्रैक्टिकल थोड़ी ना होता है, so we never spoke. Then
now
plot twist. Then जब मैं कॉलेज में आया, she had a boyfriend, उसका ब्रेकअप हुआ, and then she called me and she was like, oh my god, I should have valued you. अभी तक.
अब तो of course मतलब
Now she's in New York, keeps messaging me randomly that I regret.
but our state is a star, so
Yeah, of course. Time for a fun game, Food Pictionary. आप दोनों को ही एक डिवाइस दे रही हूँ. Pronal, you keep the Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360. You have to draw food dishes on the laptop. और आप सेकंड स्क्रीन फीचर से Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra पर देख सकते हैं whatever Mronal is drawing and you have to guess the dish.
Okay.
And whoever guesses more will get a point. So Mronal, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here you go.
Okay.
3 chits for you, 3 chits for Siddha.
3. Okay. Oh my god. Ready?
Now लग रही है भाई.
हाँ.
Huh? You're hot. Bread है ये.
These are
Sushi.
Yes.
Sushi.
This is the
Very
seed.
well done.
चलो, very well done.
Lovely. Next 1 point. Oh, immediately. There you go.
I
Next
go
one.
one. मैं इतना गंदा बनाऊंगा कि मैं जीत जाऊंगा.
Oh my god, this is tough. This is a katori.
चांद. पूड़ी. हाँ?
पूरी.
समझ में आ गया.
ओनली पूरी नहीं, और भी कुछ है.
छोले भटूरे हैं.
नहीं.
पानी पूरी है.
Yeah. Not bad, no?
लास्ट टाइम हमने खाए थे पानी पूरी.
हाँ.
Okay, and the last one.
Don't think that you're a very good artist. Huh? It's my guessing skills. No, you're actually very good. I felt like मैं यहीं से निकाल के खा जाऊँ. इतना सुंदर बनाया था.
कितने टाइम बाद ड्राइंग कर रहे हो? की ड्राइंग?
I just sketched him
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Oh really?
Yeah.
अच्छा.
That was very. I shouldn't even talk about it. Oh my god. ये कैसे करेंगे? Oh my god, this is so tough.
क्या दिख रहा है?
अभी तक तो कुछ भी
Wait.
कितनी बार इरेज हो चुका है ड्रॉ करके.
हवा खा रहा हूँ अभी तो मैं.
ये क्या है?
हाँ?
ये ब्रेड.
यहाँ
नहीं,
नहीं, ये क्या हो
ये
रहा है?
waffle.
नहीं, ये क्या?
ग्रिल.
Oven.
हाँ.
Grill. Oven.
हाँ, नहीं.
ग्रिल.
हाँ. Indian
Grill.
grill क्या होता है?
टिक्का.
टिक्का.
हाँ, कैसे बनता है वो?
तंदूर.
हाँ, correct.
तंदूरी. तंदूरी टिक्का. चिकन
तंदूरी
टिक्का.
चिकन नहीं, तंदूरी वैसे ना?
तंदूरी नान. तंदूरी.
अरे तंदूरी चिकन.
से मतलब भूख लगी आप ऐसा कर रहे हो यार.
I am actually salivating. Yeah, so.
मैं फटफट
No,
बनाऊँ.
yes.
3 मान ले लूँ.
हाँ.
Come on, Sid. ये क्या है? Sugar cane. गन्ना. छी, ये कुछ और ही लग रहा है. ये लग रहा है पास्ता. Straw.
क्या?
Frankie.
Yes.
Yay!
Good.
क्या रैप भी
White
है?
Frankie.
ये फॉइल पेपर है ये?
हाँ वो मैं बना रहा
अच्छा ओके.
हूँ. दोनों ही जीत जाएंगे.
सिर्फ वो कुछ और ही लग रहा था.
देखिए आपके नजरिए पे है तो.
और मुझे फ्रैंकी दिख गई. Viewers will agree.
Frankly, it was a Frankie. सबसे easy.
What is this? Magnet C. Vada pav. Vada pav.
Yeah.
ओह.
Yay!
बहुत easy था ये. कुछ डिफिकल्ट हो ना तो वो ड्राइंग करने में अपना आर्ट दिखा सकते हैं.
हाँ मुझे पता है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ.
अरे,
Is that easy?
Yes, I think so.
For him to draw, but for me to guess. Pumpkin. Bhopla.
कलर देख.
Kaddu. Guava.
Fancy baby, fancy.
Avocado.
Yes.
Oh.
Avocado. Avocado.
चलो last. And then we eat. मुझे ऐसी चीजें ही क्यों मिल
What
रही?
is this? Chee. ये सुबह सुबह dogs जाते हैं.
Wait.
Sausage. Birds खाते हैं जो. चिड़िया.
नहीं ये क्या है?
Chicken.
हाँ उसका ये क्या है?
Chicken sausage. I have the best one for Kavya.
I swear मैं इतने टाइम बाद ड्राइंग कर रही हूँ ना.
दिखाओ. Show me.
हाँ ओके. But
आमरस.
अरे यार.
sorry. Yes, you easily guess कर लिया.
You do
And you
mango.
thought this was very difficult. You guys have been really good. I think it's time to treat you all
Yes.
with a delicious Sunday brunch.
कोथिंबीर वड़ी. Yum.
So we've got sattu and we've got soul curry.
This is what?
लिट्टी
लिट्टी
चोखा
चोखा।
Litti chokha.
ये क्या है?
उनका taco. Art taco.
ये तो लिट्टी चोखा।
not that taco Spanish वाला taco but yes you are right
Yes,
taco.
but art taco.
taco
मेरे
perfect is this like misal
So शेव ची भाजी is like your all time फटाफट सबसे जल्दी बनने वाली भाजी. So they'll just make the curry and they'll take the सेव और ऊपर से छोड़ देंगे and you eat it with roti, which is
and roti which one like bhakri or
puri. सेव ची भाजी is with puri. Thank you. So you have this with bhakri.
and what about
Bharli wangi.
bharli wangi bangan ki
Bangan.
sabzi
Yeah, yeah.
so we have a mix of Maharashtrian and a couple of Bihari dishes
Lovely.
have you had sattu
गर्मी में पीते हैं हमारे यहाँ यूपी में, और लू चलती है तब सत्तू पीते हैं।
have you had sattu before no क्या है ये
चने को पीस के जो बनता है ना,
and have you had soul curry
and this is the first time I'm having this.
yeah
Really?
Brunal will call it soul curry only
It just soothes your soul.
but it's actually with kokum
And it has coconut. The best is when you drink properly.
what is drink properly
Properly,
matlab like that okay
And you get that thing. But the thing
like
is, you have this towards the end of your meal. So it's good for digestion. Yeah, I'm a clumsy eater, okay? Wow, it just melts in your mouth. It's so good.
आपको आता है बनाने पिटले भाग या कोतंबीर बड़ी
मुझे सिर्फ पानी उबालना आता है.
really cheers to your movie
To दो दीवाने
to
सर.
do
आँखों में देखना.
nice कोतंबीर
कुरुम
बड़ी
कुरुम.
he will tell us the right way of enjoying litti chokha
ये चाहिए हुआ उसके साथ। चोखा मिलता है, आलू को एकदम मैश पोटैटो टाइप है, इसमें घी डालते हैं। ये इसमें भी सत्तू भरा होता है, which is
इतना सारा
it-
घी एक
It's
चम्मच
spicy,
पूरा।
but
is it spicy
yeah,
something is
supposed to-
spicy.
ऐसे, और इसको
Wow. Yeah.
तो ये घर पर बनता है रेगुलरली आपके
मेरे घर पे तो इससे 10 गुना अच्छा बनता है।
अच्छा
सॉरी स्पॉन्सर, बट मम्मी बनाती है मेरी,
Yeah, माँ के हाथ का खाना is delicious.
पूरा प्रॉपर ऑथेंटिक।
One of the reasons why I don't put any nail color is because I eat with the hand. I try to avoid
या
it
वरना
unless
वो
it's
व्हाइट नेल्स भी एकदम येलो से
Yellow.
हो जाते हैं राइट
ये लीजिए।
यस थैंक यू तो इसमें घी भी डाल दिया आपने
सब।
पूरा एक ही बाइट लेना पड़ेगा
अचाक।
So do you have to try this? Good?
व्हाट इज झुनका वैसे
बेसन का होता है वो. Next time से मैं किचन में ध्यान दूंगी. क्योंकि मेरे सिलेबस में सिर्फ खाना लिखा है.
कौन है ज्यादा बड़ा फूडी दोनों में से
I have my like on season and off season, so
We
when I
have
have
our days, yeah, when we are prepping for a character, we can. But I think food is such an integral
yeah,
part of my.
emotions as well.
It's like the day you don't have carbs, people can get chidchida or hota hai, and it's very tough for actors sometimes when they're prepping for roles. So I think it all regulates our emotions, and khana is such a important part.
It is one of the senses, I feel, tasting.
I think it's a necessity. खाना नहीं, अच्छा खाना जो आपको, because if your tummy is happy, you're happy.
Yeah.
वो कहते हैं ना,
पति के दिल का रास्ता
रास्ता पेट से होता
हाँ,
है. पत्नी का दिल का रास्ता पेट से होता है.
पत्नी अच्छा
Yeah,
ऑफ कोर्स तो आप लोग सेट्स पर जब शूट पे जाते हो घर से टिफिन लेकर जाते हो या
Depends on how early the call time is.
हैव यू शेयर्ड योर टिफिन या अकेले बैठकर वैनिटी में खाते हो यूजुअली
इसने कभी शेयर नहीं
मैंने
किया। ये बोलती रहती है मैं लाऊंगी साबूदाना किसी।
I told you ना, my problem.
आई नो दैट्स
Yeah.
द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम करंटली
What?
My chef ran away. घर का.
भाग गया।
तो मुझे रेज रूम में ये बोलना चाहिए था तब आते असली इमोशंस
Emotions बाहर।
Yes. I think my biggest problem is when the cook or the chef or anyone the house staff is not around. और किसी का जमे ना जमे, मेरी मम्मा का और staff का जमना चाहिए. That's like must. It's a priority. But I'm
ओनली
going to
देन
get
देयर
the.
इज पीस एट होम
There is, yeah.
या
At home and then at work.
यस आप लोग ऐसे पहले कभी गए हो लंच या डिनर पे
We went for dinner once.
Yeah.
वेयर व्हेन
Before a film started.
Started
actually.
and
Yeah.
we all of us met Ravi sir, the director of our film, the producer,
Yeah.
Kalpana ma'am. Sid and I, हम चारों गए थे. We went to this restaurant in Bandra,
Yeah.
and we had the best tiramisu there.
Yeah, yeah.
But-
I have the video where you're like literally they put it on my face. I have that.
But was
video.
that also the first time you guys met?
You met before?
I met him the first time after Gully Boy released in 2019. I met him at the MA Entertainment party, and I
Yeah.
was sitting with him, and we were just appreciating each other's work. I think Super 30 had released and Gully Boy had
Yeah.
released. And one thing that I found out was his brother was also born in 2004. My brother is also born in 2004. And it was a really, 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 really nice experience. And since then, we are manifesting to work with each other.
तो आपको अपना first impression याद है of what you thought of him the minute you saw him?
Gully Boy!
I really liked her in Super 30. I was like, after a long time, I could see somebody who's got a magnetic screen presence on screen. So I've been following her work from a long time. So, it was really inspiring that somebody from, has hustled her way up and now she's doing a film with Hrithik Roshan.
So, Do Diwane,
Yeah.
Mumbai जैसे शहर में.
शहर में क्या है स्टोरी मतलब not story but like
हाँ.
what is the movie all about?
लैपटॉप भी खोल दिया, पेन ड्राइव लगाओ, दिखा देते हैं फिल्म. मैं कुछ नया कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, आप देख रही हैं.
Taco and Bhat.
टाको
Oh, झुनका.
भात टाको
अंदर
you know
taco
मराठी
is
दो हाँ
तो I think गोरेगांव में पला बड़ा हूँ ना मैं. पूरा महाराष्ट्रन, I've been grown up around that area. क्रिकेट, गाली पहले सीखते हैं. Eyes out.
Hey! You can't say that on camera.
Eyes out.
I didn't teach him
I
any.
am muting that the end word, so you can always beep it.
I did not teach him any gali.
नहीं, उसने बिल्कुल गाली नहीं
आपको लेकिन आती है सारी गालियाँ
अरे
हाँ, पूछो which one you want?
पूछो
मंद.
मंद बुद्धि. This is a very like okay गाली to give. बहुत दिल पे लगती है, especially जब आप गाड़ी चला रहे होते हैं और महाराष्ट्र में अगर आप
बुद्धि
किसी
कर
को किती मंद आहेस तू असं बोललं, done. मंद means brainless, dumb person. There are many bad words which I'll tell you after.
but this masala bath is really good. But how does it work? कई मतलब डायरेक्टर या फिल्म मेकर खुद डिसाइड करते हैं कास्टिंग क्या होती है?
This film for me happened in an elevator, by the way. I was leaving with my mom, and Ravi sir was walking towards the elevator. Or I was like, "Sir, hi. This is my mom, and by the way, we loved your mom, and we're a big fan of your work, and I would really like to be I would love to feature in your movie." And within like say a week or like 2-3 weeks later, he called me, "Mrinal, what you doing?" I said, "Sir, I'm about to leave to Dubai. I have a 1.5 hour ka window." Abhiruchi is the writer of the movie. She narrated me the movie the day after. And I said, "Sir, I'm doing it." And it's really rare that I have said yes in a go. Like, Dacoit is one of them. But Do Diwane Seher Mein, at that point of time, it was called something else. And also the film, in a nutshell, if you ask me, it is Do Diwane Seher Mein, madly in love, hopelessly romantic. There are some problems. But at the same time, how they bring out the best in out of each other.
Like two imperfect people, souls meeting in this strange city,
Yeah.
and then finding each other and finding love eventually.
आपने एक बात बताई थी जो वर्ड प्रैक्टिकल आ जाता है हर बार.
Yeah.
हाँ.
बट डू यू थिंक आजकल प्यार में सचमुच दीवाना ही होना होता है या प्रैक्टिकल भी होना चाहिए?
I think balance होना चाहिए. I feel कोई भी चीज एक्सट्रीम पे अच्छी नहीं होती.
पहले प्यार तो है.
हाँ. पहले प्यार होना चाहिए, फिर you can balance it with like logic. But प्यार होने के बाद आप you can logically structure your life around that person. But कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि practically लोग सोचते हैं कि मैं इसके साथ settle हो गया तो मेरा ये होगा तो वो होगा, मैं ये अगर मेरे साथ आ गया तो ये होगा. Opportunities के लिए कई बार वो वाला होता है कि अब उम्र हो गई, अब शादी करनी है तो कर लेता हूँ, मैं इससे प्यार कर लेता हूँ. तो वो practical approach हो गया कि कोई नहीं मिल रहा तो ये तो है. वो गलत है.
कोई नहीं मिल रहा तो ये तो है. वाओ.
तो वैसे प्रैक्टिकलिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए. I feel.
जब न्यूज में ऐसे आ जाता है यू गाइज बीइंग पेयर्ड अगेंस्ट एनीबडी, तो हाउ डू यू ऑल रिएक्ट टू इट? यू ऑल हैव दिस इंस्टिंक्ट कि हम क्लैरिफाई कर दें या ना करें?
Now I've stopped. Let people, because whenever I go out promoting a movie, people think that I'm seeing that person. मतलब people, and my parents are like, "When do you have the time to go and meet so many boys?" I said, "Mama, पूरा पैकअप के बाद घर आती हूँ, सुबह शूट पे चली जाती हूँ. I do not actually have time." And my friends who are not in the industry, they get so happy. They're like, "कमीनी,
बताया
तुझे
नहीं?
बताया नहीं? मुझसे बात फोन उठा के देखो बताती, मुझे तो न्यूज़ से पता चल रहा है तेरी शादी हो रही है, तेरे इतने सारे बॉयफ्रेंड्स हैं." I was like, यार लोगों को लगता है, पर जो लड़के एक्चुअली मेरे प्यार में हैं, जो मुझे पूछना चाहते हैं ये अफवाह सुन के वो और दूर चले जाते हैं. So
Oh.
please, and I think the press is so excited to get me married.
मेरे लिए तो देखो ऐसा है कि हम फिल्म में आने वाले हैं साथ, तो अगर लोग ऐसा समझते हैं कि ऐसा है, तो आई थिंक we have already sold the idea of us coming together in a romantic film. So I don't want to break the illusion at times. So I feel like ठीक है, as long as they believe in that, it's okay. It's helping my film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ultimately, I want to convince them that, you know, so it becomes an easier job when they go into the theaters.
You know, recently कई सारे influencers ऐसे post डाल रहे हैं ना, they are being paid to put negative stuff about a particular actor or an actress.
That's really sad. That's where we've come down to. I just feel like किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लो. I will answer. What happens is it just does not scar the human that I am apart
Yeah.
from being a public figure. The perception and it starts affecting your work. I mean, अगर आप किसी का अच्छा नहीं कर सकते हो, किसी का बुरा भी मत करो यार. That's really really brutal.
Yeah.
And nowadays it has become, everything comes down to cancel culture. It's all about edits. It's
Yeah.
all about strategies. Right now, whatever is there on social media, please don't believe it. I would just say that if you have to ask something, please ask the right person. Also, as an actor, sometimes we feel like we've been quoted many times in the newspapers or digital whatever, but we never quoted. Nobody asked me.
But I feel this negative PR thing.
That's why we do these interviews, so that
Yeah.
सच बाहर आए.
I was saying that negative interviews में ना कई बार क्या हो रहा है ना कि everybody wants to create a content around that because it's a trending topic to hate on someone.
Yeah.
Right. So there was this book by Al Pacino which I had read. I think he had given, and it's the only interview which he has given, and they have made a book out of it. उसमें उन्होंने पूछा था कि what do you think about the future? How are the next superstars or famous people are going to be? So he has said one line back in, and this is like 70s, 80s, that there'll be a day when everyone will be famous, and that's why nobody will be famous. And that stuck with me, and I underlined that line.
I agree.
Yeah, I think with the
And
whole.
he said that
yeah.
back in the day, and everybody wants to, like, when they want to hate on you, they'll create content.
And that sells more, right?
That
That'll
sells
get
more.
more
Traction,
views,
yeah.
traction, everything.
And I don't think like actors are doing against each other. I don't feel
Yeah.
like that. I feel there are
How do you
companies, like I have faith in people, like at least they are artists. Why would they try to put somebody down? I
You
also
never
I have a different theory. I feel that there are companies, well, PR companies, who see the trend. थोड़ा भी किसी के against थोड़ा dislikability आ रहा है, they'll invest more. Some PR company invests, try to raise the hate out about that person, and then that person will come running to this company only to negate the hate. And this is a
I
whole
agree
it's
with
a
you.
matrix. It
It's
is
a
the
trap.
virus, it
It's
is
a-
the antidote. So they are the ones who are creating the virus, they are the ones who are creating the antidote.
My
I
God.
feel.
I did not have PR up until now. I actually had to hire a team to do this damage control
Yeah.
because my ghar ka address was out on internet. It was so unsafe for me. All my personal details were on internet. It really jeopardizes not just for me, for my entire family. It's so risky, It's really sad. And people will, when they don't find anything to dig in the present, they'll go in the past. But you know what I love the most? The fan following right now when it comes to Bachchan Sahab.
Yeah.
Outside his every Sunday
Yes.
शाम को
7
जो fans
o'clock.
आते हैं, वो ज़माना ही कुछ और था.
Yeah.
वो प्यार, वो फिल्में, जिस तरह से it is so nostalgic. I can't even tell you like the love, the way it functioned then. Nobody knew much about the actors. There was always a decorum that was maintained. I miss that era.
What I was saying is, आप दोनों ही outsiders हैं in the
Yeah.
industry who've
Yeah.
made it quite big. What is that one thing that really surprised you about the industry? जो आपने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ये हो सकता है, but हो रहा है. I'm sure there are many,
Yeah.
but maybe share a couple of them.
Female friendships.
Does it exist or it does not?
It exists.
Yeah,
It
they're a
exists.
gang.
Like
Tamanna,
we have a big gang.
Yeah, Rona.
Vamika, Tamanna,
Tripti.
Pragya. We have Moni. It's a big gang, and then our my Lochin, Dipali. It's just so amazing that when this girl gang comes together, we just feel like वो कहते हैं ना दो heroines सिर्फ cat fight कर सकती है. Nothing like that.
Men are very secure and they are friends. It's the opposite of this.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
we are
can't-
really busting some myths here.
Yeah. In fact, men are more insecure than I think women here, and the other person being successful, they are good as long as you're second or third. But
Right.
the second you come like first, then they start having like issues, and you can start feeling the cold vibes. And yeah, so it's been like 6-8 years in the industry right now. On my fingertips, I can count the number of friends I have in male friendships. I think it's Tanuj Virwani from Inside Edge.
Inside Edge, wasn't that like one of your
Yeah,
first
yeah.
series?
Yeah,
Oh.
but very few. Ishan and
Yeah.
Adarsh Gaurav. And I worked with the best, and I worked with a lot of people. But yeah, they don't care. Like it's actually the opposite. Yeah, you're right.
What
Tell me
finger
one
hold
boy gang which you know. I know your girl gang for sure.
Boy gang, I know in the south.
South.
I know
obviously, yeah,
Rana is friends with DQ, Nani Garu,
Yeah.
literally everybody. Because
Everyone. Rana to is like.
so
a-
when I attend awards function that I attended recently, but there was a group made like, guys, let's go for breakfast, and I was like, this is crazy. So the
Yeah.
entire like gang who was present there at the awards was eating down together, which was such a family, homely.
Yeah, I've
vibe.
partied with Rana. I was hosting for Haifa.
Right.
And South. Rana called me.
Oh
to a-
yeah, you got me an award. You
I
presented me an award.
And after that, we went to Rana's, and everybody was
I
there.
had to leave.
All
Yeah,
the
but
boys
he-
chilling,
chilling,
yeah.
and dancing. So
So
I
you're-
danced till 4 a.m.
Given that there's so much happening in your life all the time, I'm sure you guys work out, but any mental exercises that you guys do?
I play a lot of games like PS5. I think it's a mental stim. Like, yeah, helps me with my reflexes. You know, I don't know. It has a. I hope it has because I'm not wasting my. So I
You're
play
just
some,
justifying it.
no, I play some really strategic games and all. So,
Okay.
yeah.
कितने घंटे दिन में खेलते हो PS5?
अभी तो time नहीं मिल रहा, but I have a phase like every month when I'm off. Then 1 month I'm just
Which
playing.
game do you play? Fortnite.
No, not the multiplayer का भी नहीं. It's very
Okay, just
addictive.
solo.
Single player, strategic.
Which one do you play?
The last I was playing was God of War, then
Oh,
Resident
nice.
Evil, Dying Light,
Call of Duty?
Call of Duty,
Okay.
Looks like
Civilization.
you are also quite a pro.
I am just like surrounded by boys,
Boys.
in my house.
तो मुझे तो आप दोनों से बात करके बहुत मजा आ रहा है बट वी हैव अ फैन वेटिंग फॉर यू ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ फैन इंटरेक्शन कॉल ऑन Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 Mahima is waiting to speak to both of you Siddhant and Mrunal. Hi Mahima, welcome to Curly Tales.
Hey Mahima, hi.
Hi guys, hi Sudan.
Hello.
I can't see Mrunal.
There, she's there.
Hello.
You're so pretty. I can't help it. First of all, I have to say that. Mrunal, first of all, I have this question is a little related more to Hrithik Roshan and not you since you work
That's
with him.
okay. We all love him, so it's okay. Bring it on.
When you were working with Hrithik, did you ask him to do the hook step with you on set?
I did confess something to Hrithik, whom at that point of time I used to call Anandji. Why is it that in Super 30 I don't get a chance to dance with you? Like in your other movies, you're always
Yeah, you did
dancing.
dance.
So I'm just manifesting, and he also did mention that, you know, maybe sometime later. So I'm just manifesting a movie where I actually get to dance on a brand new song. You know, the most amazing and talented Hrithik Roshan.
I'll manifest
hope.
it for you as well.
Please, please.
Can't wait for you to.
Hello, hi.
Hello, Mr. MC Sher. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. I was thinking if you could rap for us for like just 2 lines or 3 lines.
Oh.
That's not a question. That's a request. Though. शेर की जुबानी सुनी शहर की कहानी यहाँ रैप नहीं होता तेरे वहम को भगा दे लड़कियां ना गाड़ी अपनी अलग ही आबादी असल रैप का ये ज्वाला तेरे आत्मा में जगा दे
So much. Thank you so much. It was great talking to you guys.
Thank you so much Mahima. The guys, grand finale हो रहा है जलेबी और रबड़ी से. Are we ready? Yes. So guys, thank you so much. आज बहुत मजा आया आप दोनों से बातें कर कर. So wishing you both all the very best.
Thank you.
Let's celebrate this over jalebi and rabdi.
There you go.
This is rabdi and jalebi.
Jalebi.